Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Ikkura Challenge Day 12, June the 12th. I go first today. I'm really not sure what to expect. I most likely paid too much for the options that I bought yesterday, and so I think I'm a little bit down. I don't think I'm too down. I'm still playing both sides like a pussy. So I think that I expect I'm probably down like 5%. What that would be, yeah, low 800s, low to mid 800s. So let's see. Okay, I am going to click portfolio now on the bottom left.
All right.
Yeah, 8.5. I thought.
You're very close, very accurate.
Yeah, looks like it.
Actually, it looks like a lot of your calls performed well. What was your big loss maker here? Your Facebook call.
Yeah, and okay. Anyway, so let's look at the orders and trades. Yeah, so I did two things basically. I bought another SPY put 305 in the morning.
Did you buy that at market open?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so that must have performed okay because it went from what 308 SPY open at 308 and closed at 304.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then Facebook, I guess I got burned a little bit. I bought it when Facebook was about I bought it in the morning around then when I was up 3%.
Right.
And went down. But I'm not too worried. I think, we'll see what happens. The expiry on Friday. Again, I really don't like owning these calls, such short-term calls. I don't know why I did it. I think I wasn't thinking straight. What I would have done yesterday instead would have been to actually sell if you see over there, I have a Facebook 240 call and a 235 call.
Yeah.
What I would have done is I probably would have sold both of these and then bought one Facebook 235 call with a longer expiry. Now that I'm thinking about it, I wish I'd done that instead. Yeah, that's it for me, really. Stuck in limbo, kind of.
But right. Overall, not as bad as it could have been.
Very little cash.
Very little cash. Wow, you are very invested. Yes.
Monday, do something. Go one direction or the other. Just go big, please.
Yeah, exactly. So you can reposition.
The only other one that's interesting is the Marriott put. This, I don't know. It looks like it didn't change that much yesterday.
No, well, lost maybe
a little bit.
$60 or something like that.
Yeah, so I'm probably gonna let one of these. I may let this go on Monday just to free up some cash.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it for me.
Hi guys, now we're gonna go through my portfolio this is for June 12th, and I'm gonna show you my screen from my cell phone. I think your cell phone is much cleaner than mine. Just 1 second, let me share. All right, can you see?
Yeah. Who's the guy on the
left? Some guy. Well, first I want to go through what happened yesterday in SPY, and I'm going to look at like a 5-minute chart of SPY and look at the entire day yesterday. So the blue lines are aftermarket, so the blue column there is aftermarket. So you can see it went all the way from 308 early on in the day down to almost 300, 301, below 301, back up to 305.50, down to 298, and then ended up surging at the end to close at 303. So this is or close to 304. So really this is like a monster trading day with huge moves. And I think I played it pretty badly. So let me show you what I mean. But let's go into Robinhood and see how I did. Oh, wait, prediction 4-4. Oh my goodness.
That's not too bad.
Ouch. Ouch. That's really painful. Okay, let's see what happened here.
Well, that was your prediction, wasn't it? You said
I actually, in my head, I had a prediction of about 4.4. I thought that I had slipped a little bit, but not this much. And so you can see I was at 4.8 at 2 in the morning, and then
but the day before you were up to 4 what?
4.7.
Okay.
So actually today I was at 5.1 at really early on in trading. That would have been a nice time to do some things, but I did not, and dropped all the way down. I'm just going to take a quick look at these positions. You can see I bought some short-term SPY puts at the top here, but my average cost is $2.81. They're now worth $1.74. This was kind of insurance on other things because I sold my other puts.
Why don't you show me the history?
Okay, looking through history, first things I did are at the bottom, and I bought a put, I bought a call on Wells Fargo, and I bought a space call as well. And I tried to do some other things, but those didn't go through. I also
how many SPY puts was that? Does it tell you the quantity on this order sheet?
It doesn't, but this is just one contract.
All right.
And actually, all of these are just one contract.
Okay.
And so then as the day went on a little bit, I bought this SPY call, another one, because I saw that the market was going up. So I paid a huge premium for this. And then I sold my SPY put that was expiring because it was the day it was expiring, same day. If I had held on to this, this would have been worth several $100s later on the day if I just set a limit order, but I didn't.
But you don't want several $100s.
I didn't want several $100s, so I got rid of it as soon as possible. And then I bought the closing position for my Hertz put. I ended up making about $40 on this position, or $38. And then I as well bought another put for 15th of June. And you can see I got scared. And so I also bought another put later on during the day because I thought that after I sold you sold it,
right? You bought 15th of June minus 255, and then you sold the 2206.
Then I sold the 22, yeah. And you can see like I made decent money on this one, the 622, the one I sold. And so what I did yesterday is like I had these 3 SPY puts for 622 for June 22nd, but I saw that I wanted to like reposition, so I repositioned them closer in, and I ended up selling 2 of these puts, one for 510, one for 624, and then buying some other SPY puts that expire on Monday, and I bought 3 of those, and all of those I paid a bit of a premium for, and you can see that in my portfolio, that is these 3 puts at the very top that I've lost money on yesterday.
Buy 300 puts for Monday.
Yeah. So yesterday I bought 3 of those, and then I sold 2 of my SPY 300 puts for the 22nd of June. And I regret doing that.
That's fascinating. So you actually had further expiry dates and then you bought them closer.
So what happened is I kind of felt like the market would bounce and go up yesterday. And so I sold 2 of my put positions because I felt like I would not be able to get a higher price for them.
Okay.
Kind of stupid. And then I bought some calls because I'm expecting the market to go up. And those calls are a little bit further out, so I'm comfortable with the calls. But then as the market kind of tanked and was moving around a lot, I got scared and I wanted some insurance. So I bought the SPY puts that are expiring on Monday, just in case the market tanks.
Oh, you have plenty of time between now and Monday.
Plenty of time, plenty of market days. But I feel ridiculous today for making the moves that I did. And I'm a little bit regretting that. The calls I'm pretty comfortable with, like purchasing the space call at the time I did, I don't think was a bad one. And yeah, there's others that I'm also comfortable with, like the SPY call that I bought. I think it will eventually, I hope it pays off. These are the 622, 312 SPY calls. Right now they're worth 226, but you can see they went down quite a bit yesterday. And my average cost is 360. The current price is 226. So I really hope I'm able to recover my value from these. And I hope that the market is really green next week so that I can recover this value, or at some point next week. If it isn't, then I will lose another $1,000 off of this move.
Well, technically, you want it to be really red on Monday, right? And then end the week green.
Yes, that would be amazing. But if it's really red on Monday, then I don't think it can recover back to 312 by Friday.
Okay, I see. I'm in the same boat as you, actually. I think I want the exact same movement. My puts are expiring early, and my calls are expiring 2 days later. So I want it to be gross on Monday, and then
bounce back by the end of the week.
Yeah.
But it needs to bounce back so much, and so just looking at what has happened, if we even just look at the daily chart of SPY over the course of time, and let's just say even over the week before, right? So we've had these two kind of down days in the middle here at the very end, but you can see how long it took to build from, say, 300 up to this is 309, right? It has a high of 313, I guess. And that took, I guess, 1, 2, 3, 4 days. So it's possible, but typically going up is harder than coming down, right? And so I don't think I've given these calls, for me, enough time to get above the value I'm looking for. So I'm really doubtful that if it opens red on Monday, that these SPY calls will be worth enough money. Now, what could happen is that we're green on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and in that case, then I would have really good returns on the calls, and I think you would too. And then the puts go away and they're worth nothing. But if that's the case, then why did I buy the puts anyway? So I'm feeling a little bit of regret from my moves yesterday. Okay, that's it for me. That's our show. We'll see you guys next week. Remember to like this video if you're feeling sorry for us. And next week, we hope we'll have some serious gains to show you guys. Sleepy weekend. Goodbye.